Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 3rd Subject English.
Good morning student, welcome to 3rd standard English class. Today we are going to see the topic Unit 2, where did the roof go? Where did the roof go? Okay, listen. We are used to sudden storm appear first range of the Himalayas. First range of the Himalayas. Living in the building for 10 years, for more than 10 years, and even the causes come and taken shock of several earthquake. Live on the upper floor with my family, along with three grandparents and their parents. Then surface thin sheet and shailing of wooden boards. Okay. Then, but the wind thought night was really fires and rushing. Okay. At us with high pitched strange. The old roof to make a deep sound to beat sound heavily for the several cars. Then the rain to move violently against windows and the light keep coming and going. Okay, then to do the storm, the metal sheet. Okay, due to the storm, the metal sheet of the roof shifted and slide off the rafters. Some of the troughing on the road. Then the roof was destroyed. The metal sheet slide rafter and some fell on the road below. Okay. Water was pouring and on my open typewriters well as on the beside radio and bed cover. Okay. Then picking of my great value typewriter, the loss of balance into the front sitting room. Okay, picking of my great value typewriter, the lost balance into front sitting room. Okay, students. Then what was pouring thought the metal often wooden shailing raining down on the open bookshelves. Okay. Then Dolly and Mukesh picked up awful books and carried of them then their room. Okay. The floor was so books had to be piled on their beds. Okay. Then 2 room and we are practically roofless. Okay, and see the sky lit up by flashes of lightning. Fireworks indoors, water spitting sound, and fire along a damaged wire. Okay, rockets is the best in on emergency already lead to lamp oil by their light. We continue to transfer the books, papers, and cloths to the children room. Okay, understand? Okay, student. Next, our feet we are freezing. They are put on proper footwear, shoes and slippers, all their chairs and tables. We are filled high with books. The narrator was a writer, so the typewriter was important. And it then and it had been companion for 30 years. We have found the window fans to cover with by ice freezers to shailing and turn everything golden snow and the crystal shining and the empty book shelves. Okay, we found the window spans to cover with ice freeze, the shailing and turn everything golden, snow crystals shine and the empty book shelves. Okay, then is much a improved roof now, and we look forward to the next room with confidence. Okay, students, have you understood? Okay, see the next class, discuss the question answer. Thank you.